Are you so hungry, Kai Kai? So hungry, my Kai Kai. Excuse me. Good morning, people.
Good morning, people.
Today is what?
Sunday.
Today is Friday.
No, Saturday.
Yung mukha mo hindi ma-drawing, Kai. Say good morning.
Mommy.
Ito na.
Mommy.
Gutom na siya.
I know today. So Saturday, Monday,
Sunday.
Saturday, Monday.
Oh, guys. Antok pa ako, guys. Oh my gosh. This guy. Nagising na agad-agad. Di pa 1 hour ang tulog. Ay, nako. What time na? 10:55 na. Pero kasi nagising siya kanina ng mga was it 7? Mag-8. Tingnan ko nga yung tracker. So, he woke up 8:48. Tapos, natulog siya ng 9:50. Nagising siya 10:47. O, diba? Mommy is still sleepy. And now, dede na siya. Pero 2 hours ago na kasi yung dede niya, guys. So, gutom na siya. Matagal kasi siya natulog. Naglaro-laro pa siya with mommy na. Laro-laro pa kaming dalawa, no?
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Saturday.
It's Sunday, Monday. Listen, ha? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then Sunday again. Monday.
Mommy, you do it now.
Okay, you do it. I
No,
do it
you
already.
Again.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days a week. Okay. Ready?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Thursday. It's there! You're almost there! So good! That's okay. Try again. Ready? Try again. Hello, people! I am hungry and I scratch my face again. Ayan o. Good morning, Ate Mia. So pretty, my Ate Mia. With the crazy hair.
Hey, I'm not a crazy
Yeah, you got a beautiful hair. Kai lang. May kai lang, oy. Happy first month, my kai. Hi. Is that your kitten? Yeah. So today is Kai's what? First
Day.
month.
First month.
That means 31 days. Kai, you are 1 month today, my love. My goodness. Maingay yung white noise, guys.
Yes, I am.
Oh my gosh, 200 plus baby. Weeks, baby. 200 plus weeks. I don't know how many days you are. Look at this too. Tapos na siya magdede. So ngayon, full ano na naman ako, guys, express. Kasi nung mga ilang weeks nag-try ako, diba? Sumakit na naman yung nipple ko. After nung nagpatangtay siya, tinay ko mga 2 days later. Pero hindi pa siguro fully healed yung nipple ko. Pinalatch ko na siya ng mga ilang beses. And then, bumalik na naman. Sumakit na naman ulit. So, sabi ko, hindi ko kaya na mag-latch siya. So, ayun, express na naman ako. Full express lang. And then, sa bottle ko lang siya pinapadede. No! But yeah, mommy has a lot of supplies.
Hi, mommy, look what I can do.
Yeah, paiba-iba yung ating breastfeeding journey, no? Iba-iba. Naalala ko noon kay Mia, pa iba-iba din eh, nung mga first few months niya. Nagmi-mix feed ako. Diba? Mix feed. Mia, what are you doing? Where are you going, baby?
I can do this, baby.
Ask Tita Pretty, where's Tita Pretty? Can you check if Tita Pretty's home? Ay, nagkasmile naman ang baby na yan. I can meet the people. Hello, people. Today is my first month. Ate Mia, be careful. Nagkasmile naman yan ang baby ko. Nagkasmile. Can you see that? Tutulugin ko to ulit guys kasi matutulog ulit ako. For sure, magigising kami ng mga 2 o'clock in the afternoon. No. No. Antok pa kasi si Mommy. I wanna sleep. I wanna have energy later. Oh, tapos magpipicture pa kami. Let's take picture of this guy. Of this little guy. Ano costume mo today? Ha? Monthly photos. Paninindigan ko talaga yung monthly photos kasi kayo may nag-monthly photos ako sa kanya. So, we're gonna do that with Kai as well. What are you gonna be, Kai, today? What are you gonna be today? You're gonna be Spider-Man? Are you gonna be my Spider-Man na? Yes! Are you gonna be Spider-Man? Kanina, tawa-tawa, smile-smile siya sa akin nung kanina. Nung nagising siya before this. Happy baby yarn. Alright na, matulog na kita.
Mommy, we should name baby Kai.
Yeah, his name is Kai already.
Yeah, that's right. He's a good boy. That's why we named him Kai. That's why we Kai.
Hello! Kami ay gising na guys. Nauna ako kasi nagpump ako. Di Kai kakagising niya lang. Umiiyak. Kasi gutoms na ang Kai. Hinintay ko na lang mag-init yung water, yung milk niya. Good ate. Ate so good. Ayan. Tahimik na siya kasi may dami. Kinuha ni Mia yung dami. What happened to him? What happened, my love? What happened, my baby?
Wiggle.
Here we go. Hibi.
Let's check the line. We check the line.
Snappy.
The line is blue. Look.
Yeah, so we need to check it already.
Look, the line is blue. Look. The line is blue.
Let's change it up. Oh, grabe talaga siya umiyak kaya sinasaktan. It's okay, my love. The milk is heating up. Ayan, fresh na. Fresh na naman Kai. You turn it off? The bottle warmer? Is it off? Thank you, Ate. Ate is so good. Okay, where is it now? Give it to Mommy. Here it is. Thank you, Ate. Ah. Gusto naman yan ang kai-kai ko. Gusto naman yan ang kai-kai ko lang.
Hey, look at this, your favorite superhero. Hi, look at this. Sorry, I have to say.
Kai, look at this. Kai cannot see, baby. Yeah. Can you help me hold this so I can cut baby nails? How? Because Mommy's gonna cut the nails na. Ay, naku.
What was that? First, let me shake it again. I want to shake it.
Oo, magagalit yun.
I'm still shaking it, Mommy.
Ate Mia talaga, uy.
Mommy, I'm just shaking it.
Okay.
Oh, my arm is tired now.
Ang bilis naman ito grow ng iyong nails. Kakakat ko lang nito nung isang araw.
Mommy, my arm is tired already.
Mia, wait lang. Hey, Mia, make sure you're...
God, why are you always drinking milk?
it's only food. Of course, he's gonna keep drinking milk. That's only his food.
No, that's not food. That's milk only. That's not food.
Yeah, that's his food. He can't eat anything other than milk. I don't move, mommy. I'm trying to cut his nails, man. Yung kuko ko, guys, halfway na. Malapit na mag-half. Ang haba-haba na. Hindi pa tayo nagkakapag-nails. Oh my God. Gusto ko magkapag-nails today. Kaya lang walang bantay mga kids. Umalis yung sister ko kasi... Alright, done.
I
Finally.
have to shake it.
Your ate talaga na being silly-silly. Okay, thank you, Ate Mia, for helping, Mom. Thank you so much, my love. You can watch na. Go.
Yay! My arm is tired. Why are you always doing that attention to me? Mommy, why are you always doing attention to me?
What attention? What do you mean? I don't give you attention.
Why are you always doing attention to me?
What do you mean? I always play with you. If Kai is sleeping, I play with you. But if I'm so tired, I sleep with Kai because I'm so tired.
But now you're not sleeping.
Ala, lumabas na naman yung mga acne mo, boy. Kanina wala na to eh. Namumula na naman siya. Na-notice ko lumalabas yung acne niya pag sobrang umiiyak talaga siya ng bongga. Mia, that's very bad. Don't put that on my face. No, kanina nakaiyak ng bongga. Lumabas na yung mga ano mo. Acne mo, boy. Pulang-pula, oh. Ikaw na talaga. Come here, I'll fix the back. Come here. I'll fix the back. Antok na yan.
Mommy, look at my muscles.
Hold your hair, please. Where's your hair tie? The
Yeah.
pink hair tie.
I got the yellow hair tie.
No, I've got you the pink one last night.
Don't you say yellow?
Okay na, ilagay natin to si Kai. Put my bottle away, please. Is it comfortable, Kai? Get it out. Oh, ganyan yung ulo mo. Parang muang ka, uy. Ganyan yung ulo niya.
Here's my hair tie. Here's my hair tie.
You rest here, mommy will just wash the bottle.
Mommy, can you help me tie my hair?
Okay, baby, wait lang.
Can you help me tie my hair, Mom? So cute. Wow. Mommy. Here, Mom. I don't want it.
Gagawa ako coffee, guys. Gusto ko mag-coffee, pero hapon na. So, good luck. Nagluto pa ako rice. Wala pa lang rice. Kaya gising pa din. Pinatami-time ko muna sa basin. Tadaan! Wala siyang reklamo, pero parang matutulog pa nga. Pag nasa tummy siya talaga, parang inaantok. Ate Mia, gusto ko muna kumain kami, tapos mag-picture kami. Kaya lang parang, I don't know, parang matutulog na parang hindi ko alam tong batang to.
Mommy, come here.
What do you look
Mommy, does that have a look at my cereal? Look, there's a triangle here.
Oh, nice shape. It looks like a heart, actually.
It looks like a triangle.
This is Kai's cake, guys. Spider-Man. And may puffing cupcake si ate. O, diba? Sa baking mama, doon ako nag-order ng cake ni Mia nung 4th birthday niya. So, So, yeah. Baking Mama. Pag ano kayo guys, pag nasa Perth kayo, order kayo kay Baking Mama. Search nyo lang siya sa Instagram. Ayan o. Instagram and Facebook. Ang gaganda ng mga cake niya. Tapos super sarap. Tingnan natin without the cover. Ayan. So, happy first month. Ayan.
Can I try the cake
O,
now?
diba? Ang pretty. Check ko nga kung mayroon akong ano dun sa labas. Number 1 na candle. How pretty is this? Spider-Man.
Mommy, which color do I want?
Yes, ang ating Mia gusto niya na
Mommy,
kumain.
which cupcake color?
Yeah, which cupcake? It's all the same. Maybe this one? The head?
No.
Ganda.
I want this one.
Okay, this one? We share, okay? Because Mommy wanna try as well. Oh, yeah,
You
umiyak
can
na.
try first.
Okay, hold it first because I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. Umiiyak na ang brother mo, Dan.
Yum.
So, yum? Okay. Is it yummy?
No. Last time
They can take off the... It's just a sticker or picture. Yeah, last time in your party, you have a cupcake too. Very nice.
the kind of cupcake is nicer than mine.
No, it's the same. Ugly.
No, it's not. Hey, what happened?
Good.
Can you
What?
wipe off my lip balm?
No, it's okay.
Mmm.
Love. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
So moist talaga niya. So moist na cupcake. Kahit malamig.
Want to try?
Diba? So good. Approve. Chocolate flavor yung in-order ko. Ay, nagkalat na tayo.
I want a birthday like this too. I'll also try the black.
Yeah. You've been eating the black too. Eat it all. Hold it.
Okay, I'll eat it all.
Yum.
I finished all the cup. What's this? Finished
Yeah.
all the thing. Yummy.
Finish? Let's eat rice.
I want this birthday cake too.
That's cupcake. That's not birthday cake.
Can I have one more cupcake?
Ah? No, we're gonna eat lunch. La 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 la. Oh. The costume's gonna be dirty. Done? Okay, go na.
It was a delicious cupcake.
It's a delicious cupcake. Maybe you're just hungry. That's why you haven't eaten lunch yet.
No, I just want cupcake and junk food. Yeah, I can try.
Oh, dalian na your brother's crying. Maybe I'll feed him first because he's crying a lot. He's still hungry. Baby brother is still hungry. How do you go down? Do you know how to go down there? Hello! So, kaka-change lang niya ng nappy, guys. Hindi ko alam kung magko-costume na siya or what. Magko-costume talaga. So, I have his Spider-Man. Long sleeve to. Pero kailangan kasi malamig naman sa loob ng bahay. Naka-aircon. Kaka! Let me see, Kaka! Oh! Spider-Man siya! Okay, that's Spider-Man. Let's wear your Spidey costume, boy. And Ate Mia's Elsa, and you're the Spider-Man. Spider-Boy. Okay. Kailangan malamig na malamig yung room kasi naka-long sleeve ka, boy. Huwag na natin lagyan ng ano na lang. Huwag ka na lang lagyan ng ano. Kaya lang, paano yun? Baka hindi ka makatulog. Nasanay pa naman po na may sleeping bag. Sigma boy, Sigma boy. My Sigma, Sigma boy, kili. Ah! Sounds good na kilikili. Yay! Are you ready for the picture, boy? Wala, hindi na kasha. Kasha pa ba to? 0 to 3 months to. Ayan, kasha pa. 0 to 3 months to, boy. Huwag ka dyan, boy. Yes, tapos may bini pa siya, oh. Ah, cute. Boy, let me see, boy. Let me see you, my love. Oh. Ay, kamusta naman? Nakabining, init-init. Oh, oh. Hello, boy. Guys, wala people lang. Where's my boy? Hala, ka-cute. Hala, ka-cute man na, ay. Ka-cute man na ang baby ko. Patingin lang. Hala. Ka-cute man na. Oh. Hala. Hala, tiko ang imong Spider-Man. Tiko yung mo bini. Hala, kakit mo na sa baby. Oh, hello, chubby chicks lang. Oh, be, Spider-Man, be. 1, 2, 3. Shhh. Ay, loko-loko si mami, oy. Loko-loko man na ang mami, oy. Loko-loko man na ang mami. Mami, you are so loko-loko. Let's go here. Hala, look at man na may Spider-Man. Tingnan niyo yung itsura mo. Hello! Hello, may Spider-Man na. Ay, baka nainitan ka na dyan. Okay, okay ka pa? Kakain pa kami ni ate. Magdidi ka muna. Didi muna. Let's take off this, oh. Baka nainitan ka. Wow, gwapo-gwapo man na, ay. Gwapo-gwapo man naman, Spider-Man. Shhh. 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 Look at the Spider-Man, oh. Ate Mia, you're the Elsa. Let's take picture with the Spider-Man later, okay? Okay. Alright. Pakainin muna natin to kasi gutom ulit. 1 hour and ano pa lang yun? Patingin nga na ang ano ko. Tracker. Just wait, ate.
I'm sorry, but
1 hour and 30 minutes pa lang yun, guys. Tingnan nyo. Yan, yung record. Gutom na siya. Kainin muna natin ang ating Spidey. My Spidey boy. Take picture. Iniisip siya ng kapatid niya, guys. Kakaloka. Kai, smile! Kai! Oh. Yeah, tika! Kai! Yeah, it's dark. Kai! Tulog na siya. Wala na, he's asleep. You're the Spider-Man today! Yes, baby, you're the Spider-Man man! May dami pa talaga siya. Sige, patulugin muna natin to ating Spider-Man. Habang nasa toilet ako, ginising ng ate. Tapos ayun, yung hindi nyo naubos na milk, pinadete ko ulit. Kai Kai! Look at you, you're a Spider-Man! Spider-Boy! Sure na lang natin kahit tulog. Try natin mamaya pagising. Diba? Ang cute-cute ng ating Spider-Man. Cute-cute man ng Spider-Man ko na yan. Oh, diba? Cute-cute lang. Oh, hello! Pagising niya lang, guys. Hindi maganda yung tulog kasi picture ako ng picture. Sorry naman. Pagising-gising siya. Nade-disturb yung tulog. So, 2 hours na since last feed niya. So, I'm gonna feed him again. I'm sorry, my love. I'm not doing it again. No, no. I'm sorry. Did I disturb your sleep? I'm sorry. Okay, dami muna. I'm hitting up your neck. Hey. So, may picture na ako. Dinala ko talaga yung cake dito. Dito ako nag-picture sa pot niya. Hala, ano nangyari sa mukha mo? What happened to your eyes? Oh, it's okay. Hungry na. Oh. Tingnan yung itsura ng aking princess.
Where's my head at?
2 hours na yun. Ang bilis, ha? 2 hours man ang bilis. Tapos 4 hours, then 30 minutes na akong hindi nagpa-pump. So, I need to pump, baby. I need to pump, man. Ayun, napatulog na. Nakasmile pa. Nakasmile pa. Ang kalat ni ate, oh. Tingnan nyo naman kalat ni ate sa floor. Cut siya ng cut ng kung ano-ano. Oh. Can you show people your face? Come here. Oh, wow. May blue eyeshadow, may lipstick. Oh. Ayaw din siya patalo pa. Costume din siya. Nandito na sila, pero nagpapampak ko. O, diba? Ito yung ating mga in-order. Lechon belly, pork barbecue, bupis. Tig 1/4 lang ni Balaka 3. Maha Blanca. Kailan ni gani ka spring roll, dinakdakan, tsaka sutanghon gisado. Tapos may sapin-sapin pa. Mamaya. Diba 1/4? Oo. 1/4 lang ni tanan.
See, I cannot find. I hear Mia's voice around here, but I
Hide and
cannot
seek
find
daw
it.
siya. Hide and seek. Ang ingay-ingay.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I don't know. Are you there?
Hi, Kai. Napatulog siya ni Kuya, oh. Tulog na itong Spidey. Mia's the Elsa, and then who? And then Kai. Kai's the Spidey.
Spider.
Where's Spidey?
Spidey.
Kai. Hey, where's Kai?
Find Kai. Where's Kai? Daddy have to roast it again. Lechon belly, guys, kasi hindi daw siya luto.
We ready to eat dinner?
Hindi daw siya luto, ha?
We ready to eat dinner?
Not yet. We're gonna go eat. No, you did not. What do you mean?
I did. I ate the one you cooked.
Oh, I did that. Okay.
Number 1 na na.
Is it cooked already, Daddy? That's good.
Wala na.
Number 1.
Number 1. Balik na?
No, we
it's
have to
really
balik.
good, but there's a part that's not roasted. I just need to roast it.
Yeah.
The rest are really
Hindi daw luto ng maayos. So, now it's better. Kain na tayo, guys. Nag-eat now. Tulog na yung celebrant. Nandito na siya sa kanyang bassinet. Tulog na si Spidey boy.
I can't do this one.
Wow, balancing. Are you the Elsa Mia? Elsa Princess? Princess Elsa pala? Wow, balancing. Wow, it's a mommy brain.
Yeah.
Happy one man, kai kai. 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 Kai kai. Oh, you wanna fuck? Again. She's not okay.
Oh no!
Okay, again.
Blow again.
Blow again.
Make you smile. Hold your head in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move.
Oh, like that only. Okay, ready? Cut like, wait, tapos ka na. Make sure it's even. I'm just gonna make the line. Yeah. Okay. Okay, which one do you want?
This one is
Like this lang, like this lang. Yeah, go down. Nice, be careful. This one later. Okay, go down. Yes, well done. Wow, look at that. Yummy.
yummy chocolate. Hey, I want that too.
Thank you for the present.
Kakagat namin iwan namin dyan.
Si Mia, sabi ni Mia, there's no toy. That's not a toy. Uwi na sila, guys. Bye. Tulog na yung may celebrant. Again? Hindi mabuti. Inom siya ng ano, guys. Yung ito. Is a cold. Yung cold and flu. Kasi parang sisipunin siya. Bukas may ballet siya. So it's gonna be their... Hi! Kai sleeping. It's gonna be their first day back to ballet. Term 1 na bukas. For this year. Oh my gosh. Excited na siya. Pero si Daddy yung pupunta with her kasi hindi pa tayo makakapag-drive. Thank you, Daddy.
You need a bigger spoon. Mia is a big girl now.
Wow.
Fit like daddy, you fit a big spoon.
This is 1 teaspoon. Only 1 teaspoon for
Remember I
ano?
fit the massive spoon for Mia?
Yeah, oh my gosh, that was a lot.
And then Mia get better straight away.
Overdose her.
After that, Mia get better straight away.
Oh my goodness. Or maybe. That's it. Can you finish it? Lick it. Lick it. Oh. Ang hirap buksan. Si Daddy, nahihirapan. Si Kai natulog na, guys. Tulog na siya. Ang ating Spidey boy. Nakaon na yung kanyang white noise. Bilis lang yung matulog pag may white noise. So, dala-dala ko yung on the go na white noise niya kanina sa baba. Bilis-bilis niya lang natulog as in. Ang sarap ng cake. In fairness talaga kay ate. Sarap-sarap ng cake niya. So, parang gusto ko ulit kumain. May put a lip balm on your lips. Dali. Dali. Yung lips niya dry na dry kasi kaka-lipstick guys. Ginagamit yung lipstick ko. More. More please. A lot. A lot.
Some of that.
A lot on your lips here, down here. It's very, very dry. It's not good. Yeah. Kanina pa yung tulog ang ating Spidey boy. Ako matutulog na kakapag ko lang. What time na ba guys? Ayun. 12:04 na. So, in 3 hours, gigising na naman tayo or mga 4 hours siguro. Yung maximum talaga niya is 4 to 5. So, depende sa kanya. Sana patulugan niya tayo hanggang 4 o'clock. Kasi busog na yan. Nakadede na yan. Buwan na tayo. February na guys. 12:05. Say good night to people. Good night guys. See you next time. Bye.